we expect something like that here?
Well, I think we're going to see some snow in the mountains, and there will likely be an issue tomorrow morning for the commute in our mountain towns. We also have the possibility of a few flakes even across the Triad and the foothills, but we're anticipating some wet roads out there. Let's take a look in the mountains right now, where we do have rain coming down with a transition to snow here real soon over the next couple of hours. You're looking at Phelps Park there in Gale Axe, but you can see it's been a soggy day. Here's what you can expect in the mountains as we go through this evening. We're anticipating the rain changing to snow, slick roads developing, overnight snow showers with light accumulations to 2 inches. Tomorrow morning, some flurries, hazardous travel, windy conditions. Now in the foothills and Triad, it is mainly a wet as opposed to wintry forecast. Wet roads this evening, some strong wind gusts coming through this evening. 40-50 mile per hour wind gusts as that front comes through. So they call those non-thunderstorm winds, but they could still do damage. Overnight, a quick burst of rain and snow is possible. I'm not going to rule out a chance for a dusting on the grass or on some metal surfaces if it comes down heavy enough briefly. For tomorrow morning, wet roads though, as temperatures will be near or just above freezing. The rain's really been filling in over the last few hours, so we've got heavy rain over the mountains and that transition to snow starting. You notice it there just to the west. Rain over Wilkes, Yadkin, and covered up over Surrey and Stokes County as well as Rockingham. That rain's going to fill in over Guilford and Alamance too. You can see it moving in right now in places like Lexington and Asheboro. So steady rain continuing to add to our rainfall totals. So we could see another inch of rain on top of these, which are easily an inch and a half across the area. So there's the potential that we could have some flood advisories or isolated flash flood warnings go off this evening. As for severe thunderstorms, I think that threat is going to stay off to our east. That's where they've had the highest risk for severe weather today. It's also where they've had some tornado warnings in and around the Raleigh area. They even had 4 to 6 homes that had some roof damage. Some trees snapped. They're not saying that was a tornado, but there was a tornado warning out in that area at the time. Notice that we've been seeing this transition as the sun's gone down to some wintry weather, and that's where we do have our winter weather advisory that's lined up there along the spine of the mountains. Tornado watches far to our east, so we don't have to be concerned about that. We are going to see, though, some accumulating snow, and in the highest elevations above 3,500 feet, we could see more than 2 inches of snow, but light amounts with wet roads becoming slick this evening. Gusty winds, wind chill values in the single digits and teens by tomorrow morning. Temps have already dropped just in the last hour or so in the mountains. So we're in the 40s. We're close to 60 across the Triad. Steady rain, that transition to snow 8-9 o'clock in the mountains, and then potentially a little brief wintry mix 1 a.m. to 4 a.m. across the Triad, and then we're dry by tomorrow morning, but there will likely be a little bit of snow on the ground, especially in some mountain communities. Could see that light dusting on grassy areas or metal surfaces, but I'm not really anticipating any troubles in the Piedmont Triad, as we should hover around 33 tomorrow morning with some wet roads. For the foothills, we're down near freezing tomorrow morning. Also the potential for that mix. For the mountains, we've got the rain transitioning to snow and flurries, slippery conditions tomorrow morning as we start out. During the day tomorrow, windy as well. Northwest winds 10 to 20, sunny and cold with a high of 46 in the Triad. We're up to 45 in the foothills, and in the mountains, the temperatures are in the 30s tomorrow with that cold northwest wind. A look ahead at the rest of the week's forecast, pretty simple. It's mostly sunny and it is cold.
You're watching